Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the best steam mop hard floor cleaner, the 11-in-1 steam mop and handheld steam cleaner by Sprobil. This multi-surface cleaning powerhouse promises to transform your cleaning routine from a dreaded chore into a satisfying experience. So, let's jump into everything you need to know about this versatile device. Starting off with what makes this mop so powerful, the steam itself. This mop delivers an intense 260 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature steam that deeply penetrates surfaces. What's great about this is that it doesn't just clean, it sanitizes. With no need for harsh chemicals, it claims to eliminate up to 99.9% of stubborn stains and grime. Whether you're cleaning up after pets, kids, or just life in general, this means safer, cleaner floors in your home. And the best part? The high heat helps floors dry fast. No more waiting around or tiptoeing across wet tiles. The mop offers 3 adjustable steam settings. This feature is brilliant because it gives you full control. Use low steam for delicate hardwood floors, medium for regular everyday dirt, and high steam for those problem areas. The ones where grease, sticky spills, or tracked in mud just won't quit. You can easily toggle between settings, making this mop suitable for nearly every surface in your home, from sealed hardwood and tile to carpet and even glass. Speaking of convenience, the Sprobil steam mop includes a generous 23-foot power cord. That means you're not constantly plugging and unplugging as you move from room to room. And with a large 450 milliliters water tank, that's about 15.2 ounces, you get up to 30 minutes of continuous steam. That's plenty of time to clean large areas in one go without having to stop and refill. Comfort was clearly a focus in this design. The adjustable height is a small but significant feature, especially if you're someone who doesn't want to hunch over while cleaning. It's perfect for long cleaning sessions or anyone with back issues. Combine that with the lightweight aluminum tubing and ergonomic handle, and you've got a mop that's easy to maneuver without tiring your arms out. Now, let's talk versatility. This is where the 11-in-1 really shines. It's not just for floors. With the included accessories, like the angle nozzle, window cleaning tools, microfiber pads, scraping tools, and more, you can clean grout lines, toilets, sinks, shower tracks, windows, and even clothes or upholstery. And yes, it even comes with a carpet glider for refreshing rugs and carpeted areas. Just remember to remove the carpet glider when switching back to hard floors. Setup is simple and using it is even simpler. Fill the tank with water, power it on, and choose your steam level. Within seconds, you'll see the steam build and feel the heat. The mop head swivels nicely, letting you reach under furniture and around corners, and the microfiber pads do a great job of grabbing dust and grime. In terms of build quality, it looks sleek in white, feels sturdy thanks to the aluminum tubing, and all the attachments snap on and off easily. The pads are reusable and machine washable, adding to the eco-friendly nature of this mop. It's for busy parents, pet owners, or anyone who wants a cleaner home without relying on chemicals. It's also a good fit for people with a variety of surfaces in their home. Tile in the kitchen, hardwood in the living room, carpets in the bedroom. This mop can handle it all. To wrap it up, the Sprobil 11-in-1 steam mop is more than just a mop, it's a complete cleaning system. With strong steam power, adjustable modes, a long cord, generous tank, and a toolkit of accessories, it easily earns its title as the best steam mop hard floor cleaner on the market. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique. Got questions or want us to review another product? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.